this video, we'll be showing you how to move a volunteer to a different task. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Reports and then Volunteers. Locate the relevant event from the Select Event drop-down list. Then, from the Manage menu of the task the volunteer has currently signed up for, select Move. A modal window will appear where you can select an alternative task from the drop-down list. Locate the task you would like to move them to and then click the Move button to confirm. You will see a notification that the volunteer has been successfully moved. And that's it! You have now successfully moved a volunteer to a different task. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.